Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Bitcoin Boxer.
Hey.
How's your day going?
It's going okay. Look how quickly that last video went up. You outdid yourself.
Well, it was shorter.
Okay, I can't say this one might be as short, but I'm gonna try. Okay, let's go. So, hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube family. How are you all? Hope you are having a lovely day. I hope you've been enjoying the last like 5, 6 videos we've been putting up, and I think they've been amazing. Definitely go check out the one from yesterday. That's for sure. That I watched that again, and that is hilarious. Make sure you leave us a comment if you've got any questions. Give us a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And if you want to come and join us on Stereo, there is a link in the description and on the about page. Thank you. And Stereo family are finally coming. I was a little bit upset this morning. I know we were a little bit late to the show, but we didn't have a lot of you, and I was quite emotional about that. Okay, and now you've all run off again. Okay, so that's fantastic. That he's Spandan. There it is.
Yo, afternoon to you guys. Bitcoin, what's going on with this ethereum? Why is it dropping like crazy?
Yeah, we're going to talk about that in a minute. Let's go. So we're just waiting. Okay, let's get through the markets, and then let's get to the good stuff, and let's do some interacting. 1 second.
Sorry, I'm just setting an order in place. I'm like fascinated with this the short and long things. I've been making money on them. Oh, okay, let's see where the market is.
Okay, so I'm just getting up Mazzari. Give me 1 second. Play that bubble, please, Blockchain Jane, while I'm getting this up.
Okay, let's see what we have. As high, shout out as high.
Afternoon. I don't know how long you've been on. I just want to say I'm absolutely whacked. Got nailed at lunchtime today, and not in a good way. I hope everyone's well. What's the markets doing today? Because I've not looked yet. Am I rich? Am I going to be rich? Probably not.
Well, let me tell you, I told you the end of the week sell-off was coming, and it's turned up all right. So Bitcoin is at $36,320. Ethereum is at $2,384. Cardano is at, I'm going to just say the percentages at the end because they're all roughly the same. Cardano $1.50, Dogecoin 34 cents, Bitcoin Cash $682, Litecoin. Okay, hold on, I'm going to have to buy some of that right now. 1 minute.
Did you say right now?
Yeah, right now. It's at
What part?
$175.
Wait, which
Litecoin
like
is at $175. Hold on. Sorry, people. Just give me 1 second. I do have to buy this. I'm just load 1 minute. That is crazy. $175. Oh, I'm going to buy this.
all right.
Yeah, sorry, people. Just be patient. When you have to buy, you have to buy. Okay.
Yeah, it's
I had the
true.
screen already open. Okay, order done. Okay, cool. Order placed. Okay, so that's done. So Solana is at $36.68. Again, that will bounce back. And then we've got Hex, which is roughly the same, about 5 cents. Isn't do nothing. VeChain is gone down to 10 cents. Tron down to 7 cents. And then you've got Monero is still doing well. $264. It's in the green. It didn't get affected by the sell-off. FTX token. Oh my God! It's from when I bought that at $55, it's down $20, $35.87. Maker's taken a massive hit at $3,350. Crypto.com, 12 cents. And then we've got, yeah, we're, okay, you're going to see why I'm not saying the percentages. BitTorrent 0.003. Algorand, okay, I'm going to have to buy some of that as well. 1 second.
So are you buying these? You're going to hold them for a while or until next week?
No, I already hold them. I'm going to just add some more to my portfolio because Algorand is at 94 cents. I don't know how long ago I saw it at 94 cents.
Maybe I'll buy some too.
Algorand was up at $1.40. You can make yourself an easy 50% profit.
For Algorand, huh?
Yeah, and I'm not saying you need to put crazy amounts in. Like it's £1, like about $1 something. You can put. Okay, I've done that order as well. Okay, Algorand is at that. BitTorrent is at 0.003. And then as we're going down, is there anything else? Sushi Swap is at $12. I'm not buying that because I got rid of all the swaps apart from Uniswap. Telcoin is at 0.02. Okay, if I've got KuCoin open because that's an easy. Okay, maybe not. Keep going down. Decentraland. I haven't got KuCoin open, otherwise I would have bought more Tel. Decentraland is at 79 cents. I'm going to buy that as well. Right now. Decentraland, Coinbase. Come on, where are you, Decentraland?
Let's see. My Masari is a little glitchy right now.
Okay, buy some Decentraland. Order. Buy. Okay, good, done. Holo is at 0.07 cents. And we have. Let's keep going. Digibyte is at 0.07. And as we're going down, is there anything else? Sidecoin is at 0.01. I've got loads of that anyway. I don't need to buy more of that. And then we've got, as we're going down, where is... Do you know what? This is like pretty nuts.
What's nuts?
The price of everything.
Is that a bad thing? Is it a bad
Nah.
news?
Do you hear worry in my voice today? There is no worry. There is only joy. There is no worry at all because I knew this was happening today. And I did say that there was a position. So I'm going to explain in a minute why this is happening. So, do you know what? Actually, everything is kind of, that's it. Other than that, look, the reason I wasn't saying the percentages was out of the top 40 cryptos that we're holding, it's looking at around 15% down in 24 hours. So basically, the gain that we had yesterday took the hit. But if you remember what I was saying the day before, the markets, even if the markets recover, the end of week sell off and the closed positions will come and we will be in this position. And I said this morning that I am expecting it to go down a bit more, and that's why I don't care. And I'm buying. The other day was an anomaly. It was something I didn't know. It's something that you can't predict. I didn't know it was happening, but today I knew it was going to happen, so I'm taking advantage of it. I just literally got through the door because I wanted to get back for the show. I've been out and about doing some stuff, and I got back, I opened it, and I've just made 4 purchases, and I'm pretty happy about what I've made because Algorand Decentraland, for me, Algorand is now part of my green portfolio, and to buy into that at under $1 is an amazing, amazing price. You got to remember that in the last 3, 4, 5 months, low end has been around $1.47. So that will give you a return of around 50% when the market recovers, and it will recover. Like now, I have no there's nothing I can say that I'm more certain of that the market will recover. This is end of week. People are taking advantage of what's happened. The short positions, the short spike where everything went back up. People are selling off. Hedge funds are closing their positions, and it doesn't worry me. And you've got to remember, when I say I'm not worried, it's not because the price has gone down to 37. That's not good, but it's because we bottomed out. So we created a bottom, and there was a bit of 40 was the bottom for Bitcoin. So obviously, when there's going to be a sell-off, now we're working, instead of 60, we're working with 40. Are you with me? So now when it goes down 3, I'm not concerned. So we're starting all over again, and it's going to build back up. So it's just unfortunate that it happened at the end of the week, but I would definitely be taking advantage of some of these low value coins that I have been saying. So Decentraland, Algorand, VeChain, Crypto.com, all of these ones, you can make yourself an absolute fortune over the coming weeks with them. It's a really, really good shout. So definitely make sure you take advantage of them. Let's play some of these bubbles, and then we'll get to the news. But everything's down around 15%, but end of week sell-off with everything that's happened. Hedge funds are trying their luck again, so couldn't care less. Buy the dip. This is a dip. This isn't a crash. Buy the dip.
Let me ask, do you think this is like we can expect this throughout the weekend?
I don't think the price will go down anymore. I think we'll see maybe a little bit more. Bitcoin might go down to 35, but it'll get bought back up by whales. Even if it goes to 34, 33, it'll get bought back up by whales, and we'll be back up at 40 by Monday, Tuesday, maybe higher, and we'll bounce back. And all these other cryptos, we will see massive gains next week. Massive gains. Because we're coming out of all of the things around what people have been doing this week. It's a new week. It's a fresh week. Hedge funds will be going in a different direction, and they will see it as an opportunity to drive the price back up. And we will be in a place of green towards midweek next week, and everything will be back to normal. That's how I see it from the charts. If I'm wrong, I don't know what's going on then, but I don't think I am. I think I knew today was coming for sure. I could see that. I knew it was going to be a big sell-off, and I knew it was coming. So I'm happy about it, and I bought in. And not like the other day. You could tell from my voice the other day I was not happy, because that I couldn't predict, and I didn't know it was happening. And today's one I know, so I'm taking advantage of it. That's it. Okay, let's play these bubbles, see what these people are saying. We have, okay, there's only one person speaking. We have As High.
Sorry, if you've got the money to buy them while it's at this price, isn't it? Jesus. I don't know, I'm in the wrong game. Maybe I should start doing something else on street corners. Try and make some money.
I don't know what you're doing on street corners, but if you start selling herbs and spices on street corners, you're going to go to jail. Okay, he's As High.
FTX, mate. Look at FTX, FTT. That's a good price, I think, because I think that it's gone down by half.
Now, it's gone from 55 to 35, $20. I remember someone suggested that coin to me, and I'm thankful, because it's going to be a good coin. I'm not buying any more of it because of the price. I'm only buying low market value coins, because they're going to give me the biggest percentage gain in the short term as well as the long term. So yeah, I'm just buying the lower value ones.
That's it. We're all screwed. Bull run is over. We're now in a bear market. We're going to be screwed for the next 6 months until it picks up again. Thank you, Elon, you fuck chopping whatever.
Well, okay, okay, I don't know what to say, but look, just bear with it. Let's see what happens. We'll get back into a place where the market will begin to recover, and we will be able to start making money again. There's no major concern for me this time. After I saw the bottom out, there's no more. I'm not stressed. This is predictable. Other people know what's happening. I think the bear market, we are going to see a lot more downs as well as ups because of the uncertainty in the market. But that's expected because when 20k is wiped off Bitcoin within a short period of time, that is going to create a little bit of uncertainty. So I do believe that we are going to see a lot more downs as well as ups, and it's going to balance itself out. We were spoiled. The word spoiled, we were just seeing too much green, and we didn't appreciate that green enough, and we were like up, 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 up. And I think me and Blockchain Jane, just out of honor to seeing green, tomorrow in our show in the morning, we will wear green. A green, and you know me, we're blue hat family, but we will wear green in the hope that green will come back quicker. There you go. Just for you, green. But I think we need to be careful that we don't become negative about crypto. It's one thing I found the other day with things going the way they were. It's we've got to stay focused on what our end goal is. We can't help what's happened. We can't control what's happening. But what we can do, we can take advantage of what's happening and benefit us. And I appreciate not all of us have money that we can put into crypto and we can do what we can do with it. But what we can do is we can take advantage of the situation. Okay, let me get up and see. Have you seen anything in the news, Blockchain Jane?
No, I haven't actually checked since early this morning, so I have no idea what's going on.
Okay, let me have a look. Bitcoin. Like I said, I just got through the door, and this is what this show's about. It's off the cuff. Here we go. This was done 1 hour ago. Ooh, I think someone else sent me this, actually. I think it might have been Andy, but I'm going to read this one. Cryptocurrency company BlockFi. Okay, I've got a BlockFi account. Hold on, I'm about to open it. Accidentally sends users millions in Bitcoin and now wants it back. Okay, hold on. Let me open my
What?
BlockFi and see if I've. Let me see if I've got a million or anything in there. 1 second. Hold on. Oh no, not me. Sorry. Sorry, BlockFi. You didn't send me any money. Like anyone's ever going to admit it. But anyway, here we go. And the whole point is it's anonymous, my friends. You can't do nothing. Okay, you didn't send me any, by the way. Cryptocurrency lender startup BlockFi accidentally sent users huge amounts of Bitcoin as part of a promotion, and it's now asking for it back. The company sent payouts in Bitcoin instead of US dollars to customers, and although it's working to reclaim the funds, a number of users had already withdrawn the coin. Each coin is currently trading at £29,671 following the market crash. One user apparently received 700 Bitcoin worth 21 million rather than £700. BlockFi told Bloomberg that it's affected fewer than 100 customers, and it says BlockFi carries loss reserves as part of its accounting policies, and this is a fraction of its existing loss reserves, so no negative impact or equity on ongoing platform operations. Zach Prince, co-founder and chief executive officer of BlockFi, told the news site. And it says the issue that caused the withdrawals was fixed and incremental safeguards have been developed to prevent any similar issues in the future. The company also tweeted, some clients who participated in March trading promotion may see an inaccurate bonus payment displayed in their transaction history. Our team is working on fixing and the proper amounts are reflected shortly. Bitcoin has recently been under criticism after regulation from Chinese state-backed organizations, including the Chinese Banking Association. Okay, we don't want to hear that again. Okay, as a result, Bitcoin saw its price fall 25%, approximately 10,000. Despite the crash, Nobel Prize-winning economist Paul Krugman said in a series of tweets that he has given up on predicting the demise of Bitcoin or the rise of Bitcoin. This week has made him realize that it is pretty volatile and crazy. The crash has somewhat stemmed by Tesla's. Okay, I'm not going into that. Okay, so basically, BlockFi has instead of sending out single dollars, it's been sending out a Bitcoin instead of a dollar. How cool is that? That is amazing. But there's none in my wallet. Imagine you got up this morning and you had 700 Bitcoin in your wallet. You ain't leaving that Bitcoin in there and saying, BlockFi, you sent me 700. You will move that Bitcoin into a wallet and disappear. That's what you'll do. So if you don't see me tomorrow, just remember I'm in Bora Bora. Come see me. I'll be there. I'll be waiting for you, BlockFi. Okay, so then we've got. Let's see if there's any other article. Okay, what's this one say? Bitcoin price plunging. Okay, so there's another article from the Independent an hour ago. Okay, it says Bitcoin price also plunges as China threatens to crack down on crypto. Let me just see if it's the same article. Bitcoin again after reports that China has admitted once more the launch of a crackdown in the space in the price of Bitcoin. Okay, so they're saying that they've got their regulations in place. Over the course of the week, Bitcoin is now... Okay, yeah. So China have basically announced that they'll be releasing the new regulations around banking and crypto after this weekend, and it's caused the price to go down a little bit. I don't think it's anything to do with that. I think it's just people are selling off. I think people are beginning to realise, like, that hopefully they will realise that all this news, just don't panic sell. And I think people will realise that with time, and it'll be something that people will get used to. But people, my one bit of advice would be, do not panic sell. It's really important. Right now, buy yourself some of the dip, and when the price goes up, short term, you can sell it, make yourself some money, or hold it long term and make yourself some more money. So it's nothing. It's not going away. Let me just understand. I did put a video up. If you guys don't follow, if you're watching on YouTube, after you finish watching us, go and check out a channel called Dumb Money Live. Super cool guys, 3 guys, 10,000 each, turned it into 30 million. Listen to what they've got to say about crypto, and they're super cool people. And I put the video up on the Discord already. You can go check it out, guys. It is in the general chat. Okay, let's see what this is here. Bam, 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 there it is.
Well, it looks like the developer that approved that merge request for their promotions isn't going to get any pats on the back anytime soon.
No, I don't think he is going to get any pats on the back. And I'll be surprised if he isn't working, if he still works for the company. That is for sure. I don't think he's working for BlockFi anymore. I think he's writing his CV up and sending it to Coinbase and to other people to try and get in there. But imagine the people receiving all of that. Imagine like the Blue Hat family were all on the Discord today posting pictures up on their BlockFi wallets with millions in there. That would be super. That would have made me really happy. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. And even if they did make it, I think they'd keep quiet about it. But yeah, I guess they can get it back because you put your details, your passport, all that nonsense in. So they'll find you to get the money back. But trying to actually get it out of you worldwide is going to be pretty difficult, I guess. So good luck with that, BlockFi. Send your people, try and get it, but I doubt it. That's cheered me up even more that people have woken up with that much in. That's something great. How can you be so stupid, you idiots? BlockFi. Oh my God.
You give it back?
Nah, don't give it back. Don't give it back, blockchain. Send me half. Send as high some. As high sounds like he had a hard lunch. Let's see. Look, let's just keep it between us and the 4 people here on stereo. So send Pixel some OzH some, Spandaris and as high, and that's it. And we won't say nothing. We're all right. We'll just delete everything and disappear. But
Right.
okay, guys, look, there isn't much to report. The market is down roughly around 15%. We're in a position. China's announced it's doing some. It's got its regulations ready for launch for next week, and it's going to be cracking down. It's just another attempt from China to have a blow. It's the end of week market sell off, and BlockFi doing what they did doesn't really have that much of an impact. It says it does, but I think the price falling is more down to end of week sell off than it is that. And it'll be interesting to see what's happening tomorrow. So just remember, guys, tomorrow is Saturday. We only have one show on Saturdays. So if you're on YouTube, that show will be out in the afternoon. And we'll be doing one overall look at the markets because usually at the weekends it's pretty quiet. So we only do one show on Saturday, one show on Sunday, and then we'll be back to our two shows on Monday. So if you do have any questions, please make sure you put them in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Well, you better be enjoying the videos, so give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it on all your socials. And if you love crypto, give it a thumbs up. There you go. You don't need to love us. Just if you love crypto, give it a thumbs up. Okay, let's play this bubble.
Did you have a look at that coin that I sent you this morning? I didn't manage to get a chance to read it. I just came across it, that was all. I thought you might want to have a look.
I saw it. I did see it. And it's called... Let me get it up. 1 minute. We'll talk about this before we go. I'm trying to keep the thing. Give me 1 second.
Wait, which coin was it again?
E. Did he send it to me as a... Did you send it on Discord as high?
Did you check Instagram? Maybe you sent it on Instagram.
No, I think it was on Discord. Okay, I can't get it. As high, can you send it to me and I'll look at it before tomorrow's show, please? It's not going to matter now because the market's down anyway. So, guys, don't worry, you're not missing out. We'll get into it by tomorrow.
Yeah, it's on the Discord, mate. It's called Eco Coin or something like that.
Yeah, Eco. If it's Eco Coin, then it's a good coin. It's the coin that I spoke about it the other day. About the eco-friendly coins. But again, I'll look into it tonight and we will chat about it tomorrow. Guys, have you got any questions at all? So, while you're going to ask your questions, let me recap for a third time. Do not worry. I am not worried. Buy the dip. The market will recover. Be prepared for a lot more reds and a lot more greens. The market will become volatile. Please understand that. We can't just have green, 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 green. Me and Blockchain Jane, we will be pursuing green and we will be representing wearing green just for our shows to see if we can summon the green positive energy. And then just don't panic and hold on and keep yourself. Put stop losses in place. If you're doing short-term investing, put stop losses in place. Buy the dip, sell the high, and just make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. If you're part of our subscription family, Andy's held loads of lessons about stop losses, and he's taught you guys. So if you don't know on YouTube how to do a stop loss, you need to get over to Stereo and subscribe and come and join. Some of the lessons from Azhai around stop losses, etc., and do that. Or you can try and copy someone on YouTube who doesn't know what they're doing and lose your money. There you go.
Let me ask you. So I'm here in KuCoin. So basically, I'll set limits. But what is the difference between stop limit and stop market?
No, so stop limit, when you're putting the limit sell, so there's a limit sell and there's a limit market. So you're going to be selling it in a position when it goes to a certain price. So when you go to put your stop loss in place and your limit sell, does it go down? And when you put it in place, does it sell?
Yes.
Or if you put just a limit sell in place, what will happen? It will do what Danny G did, where it will just literally sell what you've got at that price straight away.
Okay.
So that's the difference. So you've got to put a stop, limit, sell in place. That's what you've got to put. A stop. So when it gets to a certain price, it stops. The limit, sell. Not the limit market, limit, sell.
Okay.
Okay, and to the rest of you, Oz H, Spand Banderas, Uga Can Ints, As High, Hope Love. Hope you've enjoyed the show. You've been a super duper crowd. And unfortunately, yeah, it is another red day and it is a little bit of a worry. But I'm not worried. I'm happy. Buy the
Yeah,
dip
I'm not
and we
too
will
worried.
be.
I'm
Yeah, do you know,
looking at
like.
to buy. I'm gonna take a little time this weekend to get some of these coins that I had not gotten before, and now that they're really low, and also I'm learning. I'm not saying anybody else should do this. I'm just saying for myself, when it's down like this, I'm playing with a little bit of money. I've mentioned several times I've been playing with these leverage coins, but I appreciate the fact that you can still make money when the markets are down. I didn't realize that, all these options were available before. So now that I do, I'm like, okay, let me see. I recognize it's hugely risky. As yet, I haven't lost any money, but I could see how you could really quickly. However, if you got a little time and a little extra money to play around, there's definitely ways to still make money when the markets are low. That's what I want to say.
Yeah. And Andy, maybe an idea if you have any free time tomorrow, could you do another loss session in one of the rooms, either tomorrow or Sunday, if you can fit us in? Just any time that you're free, just put a message up and just share your screen and do another loss lesson so that people can put stop losses and things in place to stop them losing money. That'll be super duper if you can. Okay, guys, look. I was trying to keep today's shows to half an hour. The other shows, Monday to Thursday, can be longer, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be a shorter show, short, sharp, to the point. Let's get to it. End of the day. Goodbye, everyone. Blockchain Jane, thank you so much for your time. You got anything to say, or less? Adios.
Adios, guys. Thanks for popping in, and we will see you tomorrow.